Jake, more rice. Give me the bun bun. Give me the bun bun. Uncle like that. I top the bun bun. Give me the bun bun.
Wagwan my viewers and subscribers. Pinky there again, man. How do everybody doing good? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, man. Good night. So people make it feel understand. So the Cocoa Walk Hag going to run for MP for her vicinity in Cocoa Walk. Yeah, man. The same vicinity where she claimed to say she grew up in her. But when me want to know people, me wonder if them people in this vicinity idiot. Me wonder if they have sense or them just want to put Curly to shame and disgrace. Then just want to see her as a mockery. Me feel say that, because me no feel like say them people could have really and truly call people on social media and tell people about Curly and then turn around, want to push her in an election and then go vote for her. No, sir. A papi show thing. This a papi show thing, my love. Yeah. So, me no know if Curl must feel so the lily cook out where she keep the other day. She must feel like say the people in rate her because she come and she do look cook out and she go and like say a grand gala she keep. But not more than the people them try to put her to shame and disgrace. Yeah, man. You want enough of yourself? So here is it. But people, I want to read out some of the things them about this Cocoa Walk hag that going to run for MP. I want to know if this person set any form of example that they are in any position to be running for MP, right? I remember say our phone they drop underneath her and the whole her crutches on social media with her sort of yakas up in it. Woman not even wear dressy big woman. You know where she a hero out underneath the whole day that the woman not even have on dress. Our ex-landlord Samantha beat her in a party. Jesus peace. Samantha Karachi the yellow see? And that this one is someone I go vote for? Yeah, man, and people stop by her and rat infested cheats them. Jesus, peace, girl, every business just start to run aground. You don't have no farmer look out here. She have to pack up sheet and everything because everybody tap by them. Every party, every event, Curly put her hand on her start. Trust me. Right down her ground it go. Flappy, 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 flap. May say a flap. Yeah, man, I saw when you follow fashion, you understand me? I want to be like other people, you think I go flap. Yeah, man. Cocoa Walk Hag is promoting bleaching. Yes, because as we all know, she look like White Mary right now. You understand? She's no longer black. Yeah. You can imagine the Cocoa Walk Hag company media with her dirty matter in her eye. Woman not even wash her face. Company media with what matter in her eye. This woman even a put all a Harry shower curtain pan birthday table. No man people, them are something that not look good. The hag even a eat push shit in a cereal. Then at this a somebody you're not going to vote, you're not going to vote for. Ooh, text message get exposed, of one time she block Ryan and then hand block him and I try to blackmail him and him something there. Woman out here beg marriage for years. This woman company media with so whole dry wig. This woman name like a hag. Medical record dash out about her hand and it a tear down and stay bad and leaky and smell bad. Woman claim to say she a write letter to Andrew only because bloggers out there text it pan she and she text it pan people more than anything else. For a woman who say she a go run for election, what are you going to teach young people them? How to keep a bag of man? And know that the man enough is spend pan them. Cause of the kind of life you are living. Man, you are man kete. You spend pan man and no man not spend pan you. Jesus peace. Which part you live to Rockstone, you live off a discount and coupon. You lose your work because you come on social media and treat the patient bad that you lose your work. Yeah, who overdose the patient with sleeping tea bag. And you even come on live contact them sitting there, you know. Remember I said they must sit there what me I talk about, you know. I sit where you come on live contact. Me never come knock on your door if you come find out your business at things where you put out. Right? You're moving completely in a hurry house. You say you're not going to rent nowhere for yourself and you have somewhere where you can live free of cost. Them are something you promote to people, you know. Eh? You prefer to buy a man more than to fix a vehicle. Look on them as shame and disgrace. Eh? Look on them as shame and disgrace. You follow them and go taste the eye because you see them and go get glass. What are we you follow fashion? This a woman that dey on social media. She cuss day in, she cuss day out. She no set no farmer example. She cuss people pitney. She wish dead pan people, body shame people, and she no look good. So Cocoa Walk people, me no know what to say una do, you know. But me just have a feeling say, you know, una try to put Curly to shame and disgrace. Me feel like that because nobody in their right mind would I say them a put Curly for run for election. No, my love. Anyways, people, big up on yourself. Remember to leave a like, share, comment. You know, all of those good stuff. And remember me, I'm gonna 2 minutes on the time for watch each ad to pop up. Because that's how the channel earns a revenue. Alright, big up on a nice clean self. Until me I wanna talk in another video. Alright, cool.